Hi, I'm Liza Fetissova. I am hosting here a very special video show where our heroes are the pictures from Antanas Sutkus exhibition, Je t'aime, that's happening in Paris, but that you cannot visit for the moment. So let me introduce our next guest, this unknown lady, working hard somewhere in Lithuania in 1975. And I guess Antanas Sutkus was just passing by in this building. Sorry to interrupt your work. Would you like to say a few words? Oh, you don't have time, so I just have to look at you and talk about you. Well, you know, for me, you're like a goddess of work, and there is several mysteries. Well, nobody can understand how did you get on this pyramid of chairs and tables that are very elegant. The structure is very elegant. You're kind of on stage at the same time with this curtain and these big windows and the light that is spreading out from the windows. I guess it's a school, so the children are there in their classes doing what they're supposed to do. And you are continuing your work, dressed in this white gown of the worker. And your slippers are put aside, and we still don't know what you are holding in your hands, this kind of sticks, but we don't know why do you need them for. And for me, you actually I put this picture on the invitation for the exhibition because for me you are also a symbol of this very simple and known and unknown feeling, which is love, as the exhibition called Je t'aime. Je t'aime is I love you, is from the eye of the photographer who was photographing you. It's in the eye of the viewer who are looking at you, and you are also loving your work, your simple work. That's we kind of can feel. So, well, thank you for coming. Thank you for working for us. Doing simple things, but very, very poetic. Bye-bye. You can meet this lady at the exhibition of Antanas Sutkus after the confinement. Bye-bye.